Oh boy. If it gets too gnarly, I'm just gonna have to hunker down somewhere. It got crazy out there. Luckily though, my lady's coming to the rescue. I'm gonna put some dry clothes on. I'm gonna get a cover for the kayak and then I'm headed right back out. I've got dry clothes. Most importantly though, now I have a skirt that I can put on the kayak to protect everything from getting soaked. I'm excited to go to the glacier. It's 11 miles from here. The views are supposed to be amazing and the fishing is supposed to be good. So I'll be able to get dinner and hopefully some views. As long as the storm isn't too crazy. The storm passed and the seas are getting a little bit more calm. They're still pretty big waves for the Mokai. But guys, we're way out here. This is awesome. Like, look at this mountain. According to Onyx, I'm more than halfway to the glacier. Up until now, the Mokai has been running great, but it just turned off. So I don't know why it turned off. First pull, maybe it just needed a breather. Sweet, we're back in biz. I am so glad I made it back here. I'm freezing cold, so I need to find a spot to camp ASAP. Just looking for firewood on the beach. I don't want to go super close to the glacier tonight because it's really cold the closer you get to glaciers. And I'm already cold. Land ho. Whoa. That fire is a serious morale booster. Now I just need to go find a bunch more firewood. I'm finally starting to warm up, getting dried out. Feels so good to have the fire going. So although I didn't catch any fish, I brought baked beans to have with the fish, but I'm just gonna cook it up right now because I'm hungry. Baked beans on the fire. Most important step to baked beans is poking holes in the top. Ask me how I know. Beans in a can have never tasted so good. So the kayak and all my gear is down there, all my fishing stuff. I don't want to camp right next to it. I'm going to camp up here. I've been warned. There's a lot of bears in this area, as you'd expect. So I think I'll sleep a little better, a little bit away from my stuff. I need to sleep good tonight because tomorrow's going to be a pretty big day. Gonna explore the glacier first thing in the morning. After that, gonna head back out to the ocean and try to catch some silver salmon. I'm really excited for that. I'm also very excited to see the glacier, but I haven't caught any silver salmon while I've been in Alaska, and I'd love to catch some. It's almost midnight. There's still plenty of light. It doesn't really get dark here. Pretty weird. But I'm exhausted, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Sun is just poking out. I'm excited to go check out this glacier. Got the clothesline, everything's drying out. Let's go check out this glacier. Well, the Moki is not working very well. It only goes about 1 mile per hour. I'm guessing the jet pump sucked up some seaweed and it's not allowing the water to get sucked through it. Whoa! On the bottom side of the kayak, there's an aluminum grate, and that's where the jet pump sucks the water up and then it shoots it out the back, and that's how I go forward. That was full of seaweed. Let's go check out this glacier.